Hello, my name is Rod, and I'll be your online learning advisor and unit coordinator for strategy and projects in period 1, 2021. I'm a professional practicing project manager with over 20 years of experience, and I hold a Master of Project Management degree which I studied online, so I have some appreciation for what you are doing. Major topics in this unit include business strategy, strategic planning, program and portfolio management, project governance, assurance and benefits management. And the unit shows how a project or program grows out of the business life cycle and also feeds into that life cycle. It also shows how the project or program adds value to both the client and provider organisations, and that value can be sustained for long periods if managed appropriately. It details contemporary program and portfolio management approaches and practically relates them to organisational dynamics and project benefits realisation, and explores the detailed links between the business strategy and the projects, programs and portfolios delivered by an organisation. It explores tools and techniques to extract maximum value from the program and portfolio, hence delivering optimal benefit for both client and provider organisations. This unit is particularly useful for clients and client-side program and project managers. It builds on a sound understanding of project business life cycles and informs the program and portfolio planning and development activities. The teaching and learning approaches used in this unit ensure that the skills acquired are applied. I look forward to you starting this unit with you soon and the opportunity to meet you. Until then, stay safe.